Hello everyone, we are here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of a $10,000 giveaway. That means that with any vehicle purchase you make, you're going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your very own chance to win $10,000. And now back to the star of the show, we have this beautiful 2017 Audi A4 Technik Quattro all-wheel drive to show you. Under the hood, you're going to find a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine that is paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission. And again, as mentioned, this is all-wheel drive, so between the all-wheel drive, the new tires, and you do have a winter tire package, this is going to be a great choice for our Canadian climate. It is shown this beautiful Argus brown metallic color. This has been fully safetied and inspected. We're going to take you through it quickly, but if you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Helping you in, you do get this remote from the factory with your unlock, lock, trunk release, and panic button. The mirrors do power fold in when you lock the vehicle, and we'll give you a quick shot of these beautiful all-season tires on there currently. And you have the paint protection film on the front as well. And then you do have a proximity key system. Sorry, the first time I did it, it locked, and then we'll just unlock it here. So you do have your memory seats, 2 different settings, power mirrors, windows, and locks throughout, plenty of storage in the door, great all-weather mats keeping everything in excellent condition. Your driver's seat is fully adjustable with lumbar support. You get this gorgeous leather throat, and your front seats are heated and cooled. Your steering wheel is also heated with your Bluetooth and hands-free on the right, as well as menu selection, audio-mounted controls, and cruise control. Fully automatic headlights to the left, and into the dash. The current mileage is 51,079 kilometers on this currently. And then you do have lots of different menu options, and within each one of those options you can kind of scroll through a few others. So there is lots to explore there. Take a second to look into that a little bit further with your sales advisor. To the right for your ignition, it is a push-a-button start. Nice clean dash. And then into your entertainment system, so you do have the vehicle information, so that allows you to change between your driving modes: comfort, auto, dynamic, individual. Sound, of course, that'll allow you to change the settings. For your radio, you do have AM, FM, and satellite capability. And then for your media, of course, there is nothing connected at the moment. Telephone, you have a screen that will help you connect it, navigation, and a beautiful backup camera. So just switch my hands here. So as you can see, there's always, again, lots happening you get the 360 bird's eye view on with this as well. There's always lots happening in these systems. So again, take a second to just look into those a little bit further with your sales advisor. So again, dual zone climate control with your heated and cooled seats. You also have your driving modes you can toggle through there. Your auto start stop traction control, parking sensors, a 12-volt outlet, 2 cup holders, and then this area here allows you to control your entertainment system and what the other options that you saw on the screen there. When you lift up the console, you do have your media ports tucked away. We'll give you a quick pan through here on the passenger side. Everything's in great condition. It's a very spacious vehicle. You have tons of space in here. Locking glove compartment. You get that quattro badging on there. If I can get rid of the glare, that beautiful wood detailing throughout. Illuminated vanity mirrors, garage door transmitters, and then the controls for your beautiful sunroof. As we head into the back, you do have 3 seats, an armrest with 2 cup holders, and its own center console. They can control the climate from back here as well. You also have a 12-volt outlet storage behind the seats, and the bottoms of the seats do fold nice and flat, giving you plenty of additional storage space if you need it. Into the back trunk, again, very spacious, in great conditions, tie-down areas throughout there, and underneath you do have a spare tire. So that was just a very quick tour. If you have any questions or just want to get this on the road for a test drive, we'd love to give you a hand with any of that. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.